Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I will show you how to buy Bitcoin in XT exchange. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more amazing content. Now let's start this video without wasting any time. Open XT exchange, and once we open XT exchange, we have to tap on buy crypto option. Now we are in the buy crypto option. Now we have to use third party option to get Bitcoin in our XT exchange account. Open third party option, where we have to select the currency in which we want to buy Bitcoin. For example, I want to buy Bitcoin in USD, so I will select USD. Then after that, enter the amount of USD. So I have selected $5,000. In the you get section, tap on USDT, and this drop down menu will appear where we have to select Bitcoin. After selecting BTC, we have to select the payment method. So tap on that and you will see many payment method. You have to select any one payment method of your own choice which suits you more. After selecting the payment method, tap on buy BTC, and then these payment channels will appear. Basically these are third party channels and we have to select any one of them which is offering the best price. So as you can see, it automatically selected the best channel right here, which is simplex. So I will tap on buy BTC. After that, we have to agree to their agreements and terms. After that, confirm, and then tap on confirm again. Now once you tap on confirm, we have to now we have to write down the details of our credit card. After writing down the details of our credit card, we have to tap on next. Then after that, we have to confirm the transaction in your XT exchange, and that's how you can easily get Bitcoin in your XT exchange account through this third party payment method. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.